Hey everybody, my name is Lorna Evans and I wanted to share with you our unique styling belts. The magnetic styling belts come in a natural leather, which is nice and soft, and they also come in a synthetic leather, which is in a beautiful rose gold colour. So let me show you what's unique about this product. Both come with straps, so you can either wear it around your shoulder, or I mostly prefer to actually use it around my waist. This is the really unique part about what we've created. Is number one is it's quite wide. It's not too wide that it's not comfortable, but it's wider, and the reason for that is so that you can actually fit a whole can of hairspray straight into the pouch. Then I'm going to start to fill it up. So I'm going to pop my time saver brush in and my brush out brush. So you can see it's quite comfortably fitting into the actual satchel. So then I'm going to pop in my comb. So I've got my big tail comb. I've also got my curve comb. And then of course, now it's time to actually work with the magnetic side of things. So this is where, when I was working, that what I wanted to do was, quite often I might be working with something and I'd need the long pins. But then I might wanted to swap to the normal pins, so which means that I've actually got them all sitting there at my fingertips. So I usually have a couple of different colours. So if you're doing a wedding party, you might be jumping from using blonde bobby pins to black bobby pins. And of course we need our little baby pins. And I'm always going to be having a couple of my king pins, and they'll just sit in there just nicely as well. So we've got a couple of sectioning clips. I've also always got a little brush out brush, and you can even have room if you're doing pin curl clipping. You can either use the long ones or the short ones. You can fill that straight up. And if I'm doing some stitching, I'll even actually work with my little tiny scissors. Will actually all fit in there. So rather than, again, going back to a trolley, it's all here ready for me to work with. We've also created, to match, we've actually created our magnetic styling wristbands. So all I'm going to do is, I'm working with my large pins, I'll actually just bring those up, pop them on. So as I'm working, of course, it's straight there where I need it, rather than having to go everywhere. This is the really good feature on this little band, and it's because if you think about it, we don't want to actually be opening the pins with our teeth. So this little toggle here is designed so that you open up the pin and then go straight in, so no more teeth anymore. So I think you will really enjoy our styling belts, and they last and last and last. Thanks.